G'day folks. Over the next little while I'll be making videos of machining these parts in this safety valve. Just the turning, I won't be doing any of the milling or drilling. In this video I'm looking at the cam side of machining the body for this safety valve. As you can see, this drill goes very deep, and that's because the hole will be reamed, and I'm trying to make some space for the swarf up the end of the hole. This is the simulation for the boring part of the job, and that's the boring bar I'll be using. Minimum hole is 5 and the shank is 8. That's the insert. Won't bother reading that out, you can read that for yourself. In a previous video I did this to one of those boring bars, and for Sumitomo to replace that boring bar was $95. I'm rather pleased I found another one without having to spend more money. I was taught that for reaming you halve the RPM and double the feed compared with the drill. Let me know in the comments what you think the speed and feed should be for this reaming operation. There's the reamer. It's just a straight flute machine reamer, 5/16. To machine the outside part of the body where I'm actually turning rather than grooving, I'll be using a 55° FC insert from Sumitomo. And the roughing feed will be 0.2 per rev and the finish cut is 0.1 per rev. And here I'm using a parting tool in a grooving canned cycle to clear all that material away and then just profile it and part it off. I'll be running a subroutine, so we'll be starting at the beginning again. So your ideas in the comment. We'll make some chips next time, and thank you for watching.